Alright, now I'm fully ready to show you 5 Nepali words that you can use instantly as a command sentences, okay? Very easy and very simple, trust me. The first verb I want to teach you is kha, is the root verb for eating, right? So kha. To eat we call khanu, okay? To eat, when you learn, we always, we learn Nepali verbs in 2 infinitive forms, right? So like to eat, to do, to sleep, in that sense. So we say khanu, right? Kha is the root verb, and then you add nu, it becomes to eat, khanu. Similarly, ja means go, but when you add nu, it becomes to go. Janu means to go, right? Khanu, to eat. Janu, to go. Okay? Similarly, sik means learn. Siknu means to learn. So you add nu in the back of the root verb, and then it becomes to infinitive verb, right? Khanu, to eat. Janu, to go. Siknu means to learn. Bolnu, bol means speak. So bolnu means to speak, okay? Bolnu means to speak. Similarly, garnu, gar means do. Garnu means to do, right? So we learn 5 verbs, okay? Khanu, janu, siknu, bolnu, garnu. 5 verbs. Now let's start giving command, okay? Very simple. You already know janu. I want you to just add sa, janus, okay? And it's a formal way of saying someone, please go. Janus. Hey, Nepal janus. Hey, you please go Nepal. In respectful form, not like you're insulting. Hey, Nepal janus. Nepal janus. Janakpur janus. Janakpur janus. Janakpur janus. Pokhara janus. Pokhara janus. See, very simple. Kathmandu janus. Kathmandu janus. See, simple. Take the X is the place name, like feel that place name where you want to say someone, hey, go there. Okay, I mean, you can become creative and make a lot of sentences, but simple, it's janu, janus, okay? So X place, you want to say somebody, hey, you go please there. Then X is the place name, and then janus, okay? Similarly, another we learned, khanus. So you can simply say, like, give the plate of the food and say, khanus, and hey, eat. And then you can also say, hey, you have a plate, there are some momos, always there is momos, if Anil is giving example. Momos khanus or momo khanus. Nepali people might say momo, okay? So momo khanus. Momo khanus, okay? Momo khanus. Or, I don't know, dal bhat khanus. Dal bhat is more like our national dish. We always eat rice and lentil, okay? With some green vegetables, we call sag, or some chutneys, some sauce like hot, some vegetables, some curry, I mean, we'll talk about food later on because, I will talk anyway. So, we just want to say, oh, dal bhat khanus, dal bhat khanus. Funny thing, in Nepal, people also use khanus or khanu for drinking. Generally, people separate, right, for drinking and for eating. But in Nepal, you might see people mixing it. Even for drinking, they will say khanus. Hey, chia khanus. Chia means tea, right? The masala chai, like people say masala chai. It's more Indian term, but it's a masala tea, right? Or coffee, for example, let's say simple. Coffee, and people say khanus. So if you technically translate, it's like eat coffee, but you don't eat coffee. You drink coffee, right? But in Nepal, it's okay. Okay? So coffee, khanus. Okay, so drinking and for eating, both you can use khanus. We do have specific word for drinking, piunu and piunus. But colloquially, who cares? It's easy for you, right? You don't have to learn 2 different words. So whatever the food you're offering, and then say khanus. Sandwich khanus, burger khanus, pizza khanus, whatever the hell you want to say. Another verb we learn is siknu, right? Now, siknu, and then just add sa, siknus, right? Learn. So if I want to say, hey, learn Nepali. Nepali siknus. Nepali siknus. Spanish siknus. Spanish siknus. Right? So anything you want to say, take that subject or take that thing that you want another person to learn and say, my friend, come on, Nepali siknus. Nepali siknus. Okay? Bolnu you learn means to speak, right? Bolnu means to speak. Now if you want to say someone, speak Nepali. Nepali bol nu you already know. Now you just have to add sa. So Nepali bolnus. Nepali bolnus. French bolnus. Or when you get in trouble, you might have to say this. Please English bolnus. Hai na? English bolnus. English bolnus. German bolnus. Okay? Another verb we learned was garnu, means to do. So kam garnus. Kam garnus. Kam means work. So kam garnus. Homework garnus. Do homework. Right? Respectfully you're saying. Job garnus. Job like jobs of job. Work. Job garnus. Go do job. America janus. America janus. You're giving me some consultation, Anil, since you're stupid in English. America janus. English sickness. Burger pizza khanus. Momo na khanus. Momo na khanus. Because you're in America, right? So no, if you put like don't eat. So momos na khanus. Right? So like this you can create a lot of things, like these are 5 verbs and you can become very creative. All you have to do is to give command, you have to add sa in the to infinitive Nepali verb. Okay? So once again, let's repeat. Khanus, janus, siknus, bolnus, garnus. Now, hey, like garnus. Come on, you gotta say, see how I'm creative. I can just make you use. Like, video like, garnus. Channel subscribe, garnus. Bell icon press, garnus. Nepali, siknus. Aba Anil, aba janus. Now you're saying Anil, now you go. Anil, janus. Now you go. Okay, bye.